Namaste. 2020 has been a very challenging year for every one of us. Let us end the year in a positive note. Today I'll be telling you 5 things which we should do in the month of December 2020. My name is Sharmila Mohanan. I am a Feng Shui expert and an Amazon bestseller author. Number 1 thing we should be doing in the month of December, as December is full of resources, so we should try to learn some new skills, upgrade our skills, learn some new subject which will enhance us in future. Look for the mentor luck, look for people who can help us in for the next year. I always call a December month as a preparation month, which will help us to plan a month ahead. The best direction for the help for noble person and for the resourceful is the northeast direction. So locate yourself in the northeast direction and take the benefit of this thing if you're looking for the resource thing and improving. Second is the avoid on the December 14th, which is a total full solar eclipse, and December 7th solar eclipse. Going outside, be indoor and try to avoid major activities, and also avoid looking at the eclipse with your naked eyes. Again, this December 17th is the second negative day which we should be avoiding, because on that day the energies are very low. Try to avoid important activities like investment, getting married, moving into new houses, long-term investment. Try to avoid all this thing. We can see after the eclipse there will be a lot of negative things happening around us. It's always, since after the eclipse we can hear a lot of negative things, like there will be a lot of political issues coming up, a lot of financial issues, unemployment, health issues rising up, conspiracy. If people are into negative bad things, you can see the things coming out, the news will be coming out about all these activities. So it's even the market, financial market is also will be slowed down after the eclipse. So we need to be very careful about these 2 days, and we have to be planned carefully. Number 3, south is the best direction for meditation. So if you spend 10 minutes every day in the southeast, with your back in the southeast, it will help you to calm and strengthen the emotions, which is very good for students also who are studying, so it's very important to do meditation, and it will be really helping us in this month of December. If you're the one who is looking for it to buy or invest in property, it's a good time that you should go and search for these properties. The best direction, again, it will be helpful by using southeast and northeast. If you are one who is planning to buy new property or invest, this is the time to start searching for it. The best direction to get the best deal is the southeast direction. If you are a student or you are into a research and development, or a creator or a writer, southwest is the direction you should be tapping in, which will help you to achieve a lot of name and fame in this month. It will also be helpful for students also for passing the exams. So try to spend your study hours or work hour in the southwest direction. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up, put your comments on my comment sector. Thank you.